Hello everybody.
Hello.
I was oh, it don't matter, never mind. Anyway. Right, it's Wednesday the 11th of August and we are on the A38 heading towards Staffordshire. Well, we're near enough in Staffordshire now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Because we're just coming up towards Bassett's-Pool. It's about 8 o'clock on the night. We've been in the West Mids for about a week and a half, seeing the kids, sorting stuff out with the kids in kiddie, and Cole sold another one of his motorbikes. So that's 2 down, 2 to go. And once they're gone, he can get rid of his house and we'll never have to go back to Birmingham again. Even though it should have happened ages ago, but it didn't because of the motorhome needing work doing and stuff. So, anyway, so we're off to the reservoir and we'll see you in a bit. Morning everyone. This is where we stayed last night at Blithfield Reservoir in Staffordshire. Rained in the night, as you can see. The road goes straight over the middle of the reservoir. It is nice here. Parking's very wonky though. So, there is another car park, ain't there, Uggs?
There is.
But we didn't park on it, did we?
No, we did park on it, but then we come off as there's quite a lot of bike racers and motorbikes. There weren't no trouble, but it was too many people there. They was coming in and out.
Yeah.
Racing across the bridge.
Yeah.
But it was quiet here last night.
Yeah. And there weren't really any trouble, was there? I mean, I did that, but apart from that, it was alright.
Yeah.
So, see if we can get out in a bit anyway. Know what lets this area down? Traffic. And more traffic. It is, as you can see, a pretty busy road. So, we are off for a walk at Blithfield Reservoir. Now, there used to be a gate, but it's overgrown and you're not allowed to go in there anymore. Don't know why, but you're not. South Staff's water. I mean, it's a shame about the traffic noise because it is absolutely lovely. And we're blocked in because there's so many cars turned up to look at the birds that are here. Proper Twitcher's paradise this is. So that's where we're parked there. Traffic because we're on the bridge. And then down that end is another car park. And then if you go over the bridge and you do a left, this is coming from Litchfield Way. You do a left, you follow the road round, there is another car park down there, which there is footpaths. If you look on Google Earth, it's actually called, I think, Blithfield. Look with a push bike again. It's called Blithfield Reservoir Walking Car Park or something like that. But it's got a height restriction barrier. And I don't know how big it is without us driving around there. Which we can't do in case we can't turn around. So that's the dam over there in the distance. We would walk there, but we don't know how long it will take. Probably too long. And that's the car park the other side of the road, over the bridge. And where this car park is, it's Watery Lane. Is it Watery Lane? Yeah. I think it's Watery Lane. But it is actually a proper lane. So you got parking on the side, but it is a through road. I presume it leads to the angling place or the boating place. We've turned back round because we didn't bring any water out for Nucky. So we're going to go back to the motorhome because it is a warm day again today. Nice breeze, but Nucky's going to get too hot, so we need to go back. Carl's outside talking to that couple because the car won't start. Carl reckons it's the immobiliser. Not that he can do anything to help because we ain't really got any proper tools on here. I think he only pulled over to take some photos of his car as well. Well, Carl's gone out there with a spanner now, even though he looks like he's just standing there. So, I don't know what's going on, but apparently the bloke's had problems before. Carl's gone and got a spanner out of here. So, we'll have to wait and see what's happening, won't we? We're meant to be leaving as well, and it's 5 o'clock. We're going to hit all the traffic now. But, can't leave them stranded if we can help. We're leaving the reservoir now, and we're heading into Nottinghamshire. So, see you when we get there. One for Stephen the Villa fan and one for Andy the Wolves fan. Hope you like it. We've just got to our park up for tonight in Nottinghamshire, and it does look nice, but we're going to show it you on the next one. What do you think of it, Uggs?
It looks nice.
Yeah.
We're going to get out for a walk in a bit and we'll have a better look.
Yeah, because Nucky's dying to get out. He's been a pain, but it has took us, God, probably nearly 2 hours to get here.
For a town centre.
Yeah, so we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.